Okay guys, that's how it works. Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox what Tita bought me from Lazada. So we have a mouse, a keyboard, and a case to put your keyboard in. So I'm gonna try it out in my iPad. And I'm gonna show you how it works on my iPad. Okay guys, now I'm gonna unbox the keyboard and mouse. So this is the keyboard. Trying to put it out. This is the keyboard. Looks good. And this is the mouse. Okay guys, this is what they look like. Now I'm gonna show you how to turn on the keyboard and mouse. How to turn on the keyboard is this. You flick it up like that and it will turn like green. And to on the mouse, you have to flick this up and it will turn blue. So now I'm gonna connect to the mouse and keyboard in Bluetooth. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm connected to it. I will try it out. I'm gonna go in YouTube. Okay guys, it works very good. I can type and play this and this with my friends. This is very cool. That's it guys, that is how it works, and this product is so good. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my Mama Ka channel.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Product is so good, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.
Baliktad.
Okay guys, that's it. Hope you like it, and please do not